Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll talk about how to enable Touch ID option for WhatsApp in iPhone. Open your WhatsApp. Now click on the setting. Now click here on accounts. Select privacy option here. Now scroll down the screen and at the last you'll find an option screen lock. Click on the option. Here you'll find require Touch ID. So you just need to turn this option on. Next time when you try to open WhatsApp, it will need your Touch ID, unless it won't open. So if you guys like this video, please do subscribe this channel and like this video.